Hi, if you're new here, my name is Toriiseju and I'm currently living in Port Harcourt. Come with me as I'm navigating my 20s and documenting everything. On today's episode, I got to celebrate my birthday and I went for a food festival and I had so much fun. So enjoy this video. My 23rd birthday was really a wholesome one. Even though I was away, I was not in my hometown. I got to experience such a nice time. I had brunch with my friends. We talked, we laughed, we had such an amazing time. I'm a sucker for good company and I just love spending time with my friends. So that was a really good birthday. I usually overthink my birthday every year and I end up not doing much or doing anything. So I was really happy for my 23rd. Even though my 24th didn't go as planned, I'm really happy I had this moment with my friends and it was such a fun time.
Um, yeah, the skin is skinning. So today is my birthday. Your girl is 24. Crazy. Like my age is getting serious. So I just got back from work. You know that life is life and when you have to work on your birthday. That's like a big girl thing. But I literally just got home and guess what, my period started today, so I had to get home, change. No, before that I had to stop in the supermarket, get a few essentials, but they didn't have my favorite treats. Like I know that I just wanted to get myself like my favorite treat because I'm not doing much today, but I plan to celebrate. Like my birthday is 2nd of August, but that means I don't have enough time to like do everything. So I just decided that this year, any single opportunity I have, I'm celebrating my birthday. Like every single time of this month, like August, I'm celebrating my birthday all throughout August. So I wanted to get Haribo, like gummy bears, but they didn't have it at the supermarket I went to. So I'm going to drag my sister. We're going to another supermarket, and I also want to get a few things for my hair. The sun is going down, but yeah, I just wanted to say thank you guys for all the messages. I'm super happy, and we got monetized today. Can you believe it? We're monetized, guys. I can't believe I'm working so hard for this for 2 years, and we're monetized. I'm so happy. And yeah, the sun is going down. Like you can tell that the sun is going down. So me and my sister are going to go to the supermarket to get a few things, and yeah, I'll see you guys there. Well, I look cute. Yeah, like my skin is really skinning, but yeah, I'm so happy. I'm super happy. Even though I didn't do much today, I'm so happy. I'm so grateful. I spoke to my friends and I'm monetized. That's just it. I'm happy. So yeah, I didn't want to vlog at all because I don't have anything I'm doing. But my friend literally called me in the morning. I was like, hope you're vlogging, and I was like, I have nothing planned. But she was like, girl, we need to vlog. So yeah, I'm vlogging. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later.
Since we kicked it, you've been caught up with the bitches. I don't get it, you're a star lover. You shouldn't have to deal with that. I'll never make you feel like that. 'Cause I love me enough for the both of us. That's why you trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us. So what are you? What
walking through. Hi guys, hi. So I'm at Bole Festival. I'm so happy to be here. This is my first time attending and I've lived in Port Harcourt my whole life. But I said I was going to vlog my birthday month. See, Bole Festival. I said I was going to vlog this month and I ended up not doing that. So today is going to be like the birthday vlog because this is the last day of August. And I'm here with Sterling Bank to showcase Bole Festival. I'm not really going to vlog like that because I'm going to get clips for you guys. So hope you enjoy that and till I talk again because I'm not sure I'll be able to talk because of the music. Hopefully you can hear me, but we're here and I'm going to have a good time. Enjoy. Wild Bole Festival, and yeah, come along with me. I'll just show you a few things.
Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. That. Shayo. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did one by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that careful. Like the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. I need people and shadow. 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 Shadow. I need people and shadow. I need people and shadow. I need people and shadow. I did what I got when them kill Sovoma. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for like Ibona. Now so much you make it have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. Don't pass, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My eye, yo. Don't cry, yo. I need people and shadow. I need people and shadow. I need people and shadow.
Take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind. It is always trials and tribulations. Child. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Eating low maintenance, child for now. Child. She got me wildin' now. Rory Italian, child for now. Child. Yeah, she making that shake, breaking that back till her back break. Wow, yeah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind. It is so
Yeah, yeah. I find what I gave you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me something, yes, yes. I try to be.